Have you been searching for the perfect family vehicle with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2020 Hyundai Palisade SE in steel graphite with lane keeping assist, forward collision avoidance assist, 18-inch aluminum wheels, tow package, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, 3.8-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10867A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.